Hello everyone. Today is an important day for all of us here at Panasonic India. The introduction of a product which is very close to my heart, the next range of S series of Lumix in India. So today we are going to introduce yet another leap in technology, Lumix S5, a full frame mirrorless camera which is going to redefine content creation of the future. There are three important aspects which has gone behind the design consideration when we came on board to develop this particular product. The first and foremost, which possibly is very important for people to use, is the performance of the product itself. Another is the user interface itself, the software and the platform which goes behind the user interface creation of this camera. Easy to use, especially on the go. And third is the durability and the reliability of this product under varied circumstances. With these three very important design considerations, I am extremely hopeful all the people are going to love this camera, use this efficiently for their content creation requirement, and I'm sure this will motivate us to bring more technology in the time to come. Now I am going to hand it over to my colleagues and the DOPs who are going to dive deep in making this technology available to all of you for your understanding, and I'm sure you are going to love using this camera for all the content creation requirements in the time to come.
The Lumix S5, a new hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera that packs the essence of conventional S-series camera in the compact, lightweight body with a powerful image stabilizer system to achieve both excellent performances in photo, video, and stunning mobility crafted to truly inspire photographers, videographers, and the growing community of content creators. The S5 is a consumer-friendly camera designed and offer pro video features. As a pioneer of photo-video hybrid mirrorless cameras, the Lumix today has the largest lineup of cameras that record 4K 10-bit video, which brings cinema-like quality to creators on digital platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, etc. The latest range is available in our retail stores and 4K imaging school, starting at INR 1,64,900 for body and 1,89,900 for kit. Get your hands on a new age S5 and go mirrorless, go limitless.
Lumix S5 is a phenomenal addition to the full-frame series of Panasonic Lumix cameras. It takes the whole series forward by re-engineering the autofocus, which now includes not only face eye but also head detection, not making the camera lose autofocus even when somebody is facing away from the camera. What I love most about the Lumix S5 is the addition of live view composite mode. I was able to layer 106 shots of 4 seconds each to create this amazing shot without stepping out of my home, which caught 3 separate streaks of lightning in a single shot.
For me, this little beast packs a punch. It shoots 4K 10-bit footage of up to 60 FPS, shoots log color profile, and shoots slow-mos of up to 180 FPS Full HD. The best bit is at 120 FPS, it also does autofocus. Social media is all about reels and stories. This thing shoots vertical videos.
For food cinematography, there are three things that make all the difference. One is the clarity, second is the attention to details, and third is the colors. And guess what? Panasonic Lumix has come out with this amazing hybrid camera that does just this, the S5. Crowded restaurants, bulky equipment, and you gotta do those pan and zooming in? Don't worry, 4K live cropping does just that. With the new 2060 lens, guess what? You can be 15 centimeters away from the subject and therefore get that perfect macro shot. The autofocus feature in the S5 is so great that you can do those hero shots from chef's table.
I have enjoyed thoroughly my experience so far with this new beast in the arsenal, and I hope the content creators out there will love the experience of Lumix S5.
Panasonic.